Maqabane ngixoxelini. Mina ke ngenza bedside nursing. Ngisebenza esibhedlela. Ngoba ningibona nje. Ngifike esibhedlela ngifake apron ngifeed ama patient. Ngifake apron ngishintsha amaniphi wama patient. Those who can't work for themselves, I'm their feet. Those who can't talk for themselves, I'm their mouthpiece. I bring comfort where there's discomfort. I turn illness into wellness. There's a sibaningi esenza leyo nto leyo. Ngike ngasebenza esibhedleleni. Ngiyeza ngasebenza ewodini ngixoxeleni i-male medical ward. Fika kulela ward leliya ekseni maqabane. Yay, if I didn't quit nursing at that point in time, angeke ngiphinde ngiyeke. Siyafika ku-6 sithatha report from the night staff. Ngixoxele from 7 o'clock till 8 o'clock in an hour kwase-certify abantu abawu-5 dead. Kwase kuneyinsizwa eziwu-5 ezilele phansi. Udokotela usethi no, lo useshonile, lo useshonile, lo useshonile. 5 of them, I was so traumatized. Ngathi what is happening here? Hey, amanesi athwele ijoka maqabana ngifuna ukuqamba amanga. Athwele ijoka. Uvuke ekseni ke ngixoxele uyitshela ukuthi you want to go out there excel and produce quality, most especially in a context as South Africa where we are nursing a community wounded, a community sinesayo. Our people are wounded on the ground, broken dreams on the ground, despair, unemployment, drugs on the ground maqabana. Lama cartels now and corruption. Yay. Broken promises by the ruling party and any political party. We are nursing a wounded community, and we are all bleeding on each other. We are all bleeding on each other so that we don't talk much about it. Tina, as healthcare professionals, nurses in particular, it's easy to blame a nurse, in particular, especially when things go wrong. The easiest person to blame especially nurse. Isikhathi esiningi if things fall apart especially. If I'm a patient awadlanga nurse. If I'm a patient awatholanga medication nurse. If I'm a patient awanayo ingubo zokumbatha nurse. It's very easy. We are all wounded in ngixoxeleni. And leyo nto leyo ibaphazamisile abanye bama colleagues. Ukuthi vele we are nursing a community ungrateful abanye, not all of them. We are also nursing a government or corrupt to the core. Yabona yona le kaMkhwanazi hayi ingiqeda inhliziyo yami ikhatha kabili, ihlukane kabili. Ngibonise ngamaphisa awu7, ngibonise ngamaphisa awu14, ibuhlungu into abasenza yona. I-corruption abayenza ethembisa ama-billions who went into people's pockets without actually doing what they were supposed to do. Ngixoxele mina uyavuka ke ngixoxele ekseni uye emsebenzini. The aim is to go there, excel and produce quality. Mawufika lapha ngixoxele vele ufike kune shortage of staff. You were supposed to be 3, you were supposed to be 5 on duty. One of your colleagues is sick. Uyagula kezange emsebenzini. You are working in a 45 bedded ward. It's full to the brim. Abantu abalapho bayagula, ayindaba ukulala. Bayagula. Abanye futhi bazoshona. In that midst, abanye bazoshona. Abanye banezilonda ongazazi. Kwamanye amawodi yanuka. I-gangrene left right and center. Kuhlehla ufish. Silwa sodwa la. Lapho ke iward ligcwele 45, you are only 4, and we have to produce quality in that. Yabona kube sesokwenzeka iscandal khona lapho ngoba you are only 4, ama-cubic wena awu6. Liwe i-patient somewhere. Omunye ashone ngendlela engaqondakala, community complain, okanye ama-relatives ba-complain to South African Nursing Council, ba-complain to HPCSA, ba-complain to Central Office, ba-complain to the facility. Ifike South African Nursing Council igadle ini-charge nonke ithi khona eningakwenzanga kahle. Angisho ukuthi it's perfect maqabanga. We are not perfect, but I want to say behind every behavior there is a reason. Inkinga esibhekene nazo sometimes mina ngiyabona abanye sometimes observe ama colleagues ngibabona ukuthi hayi man lo comrade uRoad mos why ekhuluma kanje nepatient, why ekhuluma kanje nerelative, uyambona ukuthi akanasikhathi mntaka baba. Yayibona ngivele ngithi hayi man silimele engqondweni awungeke maqabana ubhekane nama-patient kushona ama-patient awu-3 in one day when you keep on laying ama-patient awu-3 every day now and again. Ngapha uyablenywa the same community you are trying to serve. Ngapha umqashi is not giving you nurses, more nurses, doesn't give you more doctors, ibidance book ongayazi. Yabona ngapha we are earning poverty level salaries. Siyahola kusasa month end by kuyoshaya u10 o'clock so broke. Because majority of us we are breadwinners. We are from poverty-stricken backgrounds. Sinabo cousin, no sisi, abashana, yey maqabane. Always, it's unfair for the system. It's unfair the system to give healthcare professionals, nurses in particular, poverty level salaries. It's unfair for the system not to make sure that we have resources on the ground. It's unfair for the system not to make sure that we have human resources on the ground. It's really, really unfair. But what can we do? We are led by drug cartels. We are led by corrupt politicians. We don't have asina inkokheli thina asina baholi kule country sihlalele. Yayibona siyazama maqabana siyazama ukuthi in our line of duty senze okufanele sikwenze siba nurse ama-patient ngenhliziyo evulekile. We try by all means to be dedicated out there, make sure ukuthi we excel and produce quality, but sometimes the system maqabane, the system.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Nkosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Richness is speaking about the challenges that manesi are facing. Uyakhuluma nje ukuthi kuba linesi into lebuhlungu kakhulu, kuba linesi iqhamuka with a lot of challenges because they are serving ungrateful people, bani labanganadanki, bani labangabongi ngalana kuhlezi kuba khona abantu labashonako. Lokho kuyamlimata umuntu emotionally, kuyamlimata umuntu nje ukuthi uthi usemsebentini uve ukuthi sekufe ngakubantu, lo sowufile, lona uyagula kakhulu, lona ugula difo longadi understand guys ukuthi kubuhlungu banginesi and ababongwa ababukwa, no one cares about manesi, instead bona they get to take all the blame. Etibhedlela njena uthi they are short staff, akunaditaff, akunabantu bokusebenza while kudliwa imali. Uthi corruption igovernment le yendako imatima kakhulu, badla bo 2 million ngade ukuthi babayise kuphi, instead ukuthi bendeni baqashe manensi, instead ukuthi bendeni ba add ama services etibhedlela nasemakliniki. So uyakhuluma nje ukuthi kuba nginesi kumatima it's not easy ngendlela abantu baqabanga ngakhona, kanti futhi bona they always get to take the blame for into letingentwa ngibo labanganayo control over dona. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.